हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के टॉप 40 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, वेयर इन इंडिया डिड ब्रिटिशर्स सेट अप देयर फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री इन 1613? एंड द आंसर इज सूरत। Second question, which of the following was begin the consolidation of British supremacy over India? And the answer is Battle of Plassey. Third question, which of the following is connected with Blue Water Policy? And the answer is D. Almeida. Fourth question, who had founded the Anushilan Samiti? And the answer is P. Mitra. Fifth question, the Bengali leader who opposed socio-religious reforms and supported orthodoxy was? And the answer is Radhakant Dev. Sixth question, who among the following great men is called the father of Indian Renaissance? And the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Seventh question, the Swadesh Vahini was edited by? And the answer is K. Ramakrishna Pillai. Eighth question, who among the following was never concerned with the Indian National Congress? And the answer is Sir Syed Ahmad. Ninth question, which of the following was established by B.R. Ambedkar? And the answer is All India Scheduled Caste Federation. 10th question, who was in favor of a partyless democracy? And the answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. 11th question, who created the Madras Presidency as it existed till Indian independence? And the answer is Sir Thomas Munro. 12th question, who was the first Indian to be made a Fellow of the Royal Society of London? And the answer is A.C. Wadia. 13th question, which of the following according to Mahatma Gandhi is the strongest force in the world? And the answer is non-violence of the brave. 14th question, the book Prison Diary was written by? And the answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. 15th question, India House is located in? And the answer is London. 16th question, Do or Die is the famous slogan given by? And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. 17th question, Gandhiji believed that? And the answer is means justify end. 18th question, the English established their first factory in India at? And the answer is Surat. 19th question, who was the chairman of the Union Powers Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 20th question, who said the Simon Commission report should be thrown on a heap of rubbish? And the answer is Sivash Swami Iyer. 21st question, the first telegraph line between Calcutta and Agra was opened in? And the answer is 1853. 22nd question, who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? And the answer is Lord Cornwallis. 23rd question. Gandhiji opposed the communal award because he thought this would bring, and the answer is division in the Hindu society. 24th question. Which of the following authorized the British government to imprison any person without trial and conviction in a court of law? And the answer is Rowlatt Act of 1999. 25th question. Who among the following controlled maximum trade in the western coastal region during 17th century? And the answer is Portuguese. 26th question. The Ahmedabad Satyagraha of Gandhi was directed against, and the answer is Indian mill owners and non-government officials. 27th question. For which community were seats reserved by the Morley Minto reforms? And the answer is Muslims. 28th question. Which town or city in India has got a tower minar named after Muhammad Ali Jinnah? And the answer is Guntur. 29th question. Who wrote सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? And the answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. 30th question. Which of the following acts gave representation to the Indians for the first time in legislation? And the answer is Indian Councils Act 1909. 31st question. The administration consequence of the revolt of 1857 was a transfer of power from, and the answer is East India Company to the British Crown. 32nd question. The issue on which the civil disobedience movement of 1930 was launched, and the answer is salt monopoly exercised by the British government. 33rd question. Neel Darpan, a play depicting the revolt against the indigo planters, was written by, and the answer is Deenbandhu Mitra. 34th question. The decline of Indian handicraft industry in the 19th century was attributed to, and the answer is all of the above. 35th question. Who from the following leaders was not assassinated? And the answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 36th question. Who was the national leader who wrote History of India on the walls of the Andaman Cellular Jail? And the answer is Veer Savarkar. 37th question. Who declared as his ultimate aim the wiping of every tear from every eye? And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. 38th question. Which one of the following was not a French settlement in India? And the answer is Goa. 39th question. 39th question. Gandhiji considered khadi as a symbol of, and the answer is economic independence. And the last 40th question. The doctrine of lapse was first applied to the princely state of, and the answer is Satara.